my friend, today I'm working on the alteration on the dress. I took it in the seam and then I let out all the beads and sequins. And then now I have to sew back all this beading. So since I have to sew it back, I want to show you how actually I do it. Maybe someone needs a little tip, so let's get started. As you pay attention, for example, when I take all the sequins out, I'm trying don't cut the thread, and I pull the thread through the loop so you wouldn't run away, and that way I can actually tie it with my thread and finish, or you can actually use this thread as well. So as you see, like right here, right, so if we would pull the thread, the loops will just adjust, and as you see, the sequins fall. So I take my seam ripper and I just catch that loop, and very carefully I am pulling the thread through so I can stop the sequins from falling down. Okay, so this is how I stop the sequins to go all the way, and I don't cut the thread, I will keep it as it is. And same thing with the beading. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. So since here I have a long thread, I'm just gonna insert in the needle just like this and hold it with 2 fingers. Make sure you don't lose it. We holding the sequence just like this, and then okay, and now when I straighten the thread, as you see right here actually will be our next step. So I'm just gonna pinch it a little bit and then pull it through. I know sometimes it gets stuck, so you need to have a little patience. Alright, and now we get next sequin, like this, and then right at the edge right here, and I always make sure is right between, right in the middle. Here is the final result, and I will make a mini tutorial more detailed on how to sew sequins and beading. Thank you!